Hello everyone, it's Ron with Frontline Animal Removal. I want to talk to you about moving walls and how they let critters in. Let me show you the moving wall. Okay, what we got going on is that's the roof, that's a brick wall, this is a brick house. That entire brick wall is pulling away from the house, and as it is pulled away, it's opened up a hole here that the critters are going into, and has opened up this. If you look inside, you can see the wood's all chewed up on the ends from squirrels. Not only that, but the rain's getting in and rotting this away. If we line the camera up right along here, you can see that the sandstone has moved even faster than the brick behind it. I can't fix this. What's going to end up having to happen is this entire side of the house, all the brick, is going to have to come down. It's going to have to get rebuilt. But I got to come up with a solution to get the squirrels out in the meantime. So since the squirrels are getting in here and they're getting in down there, and this is all pulling apart, I'm going to take some of this flashing and I'm going to attach it like that. It's a temporary fix just to keep the critters out. But in the meantime, the homeowner is going to have to look for a mason to get this taken care of. The other side of the house has already been done and it looks really good, so he just needs to find that guy and have it done. If you're having problems with squirrels in your house and your house is brick, check out the walls, see if they're shifting and moving around. In most cases, the walls are not structural, they're merely siding. And a lot of times the critters like to get between that wall and the 2x4 framing behind it. Kind of like here. They're going in right there. A few moments ago I showed you how this wall was pulling away and the squirrels were getting in. So what I did is I flashed it along here, nailed it to the brick and caulked it on the top. It's not very pretty looking, but that's not the point. The point is to create a temporary barrier to try to keep or direct the squirrels away from it. Now I left this hole right here and we attached our trap to it, and hopefully we'll catch some squirrels exiting through that hole right there. Because that hole it's got some chewing damage to it, and it looks like that was an active spot as well as a spot up in the middle of the wall. So this should direct them right down here into my trap, and I set a couple of these little traps here because we're dealing with flying squirrels here, not regular gray squirrels. Hello everyone, this is Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal, and I want to update you on my flying squirrel job. Yesterday I showed you how we flashed this where the squirrels are getting in, right in the middle, and then we mounted the trap right here on this opening. Squirrel there, a couple little squirrels right here. Cute little guys, but boy are they trouble. So we're going to take them away and call this a success.